Children, let us continue the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. Now the exercise 4 is continued, that is the elimination method. Now you come to the second main. Form a pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solution if they exist by the elimination method. The first question is, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? Here there are two situations. In the first situation, 1 is added to the numerator and 1 is subtracted from the denominator. Then the fraction reduces to 1. The second situation, only 1 is added to the denominator. 1 is added to only denominator. Then the fraction becomes 1 by 2. So according to the first situation, here we have to add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. Now let us consider the fraction is, here you have the solution. Let the fraction is x by y. Here which is the numerator? X is the numerator and y is the denominator. Now in the first situation, 1 is added to numerator. 1 is added to numerator, that becomes x plus 1. And 1 is subtracted from the denominator, that becomes y minus 1. Then the fraction becomes 1. You got the first relation, x plus 1 by y minus 1 is equals to 1. Then you do the cross multiplication, you will get x plus 1 is equals to 1 into y minus 1. Here we have done the cross multiplication, then it becomes x plus 1 is equals to y minus 1. X plus 1 is equals to y minus 1. Then the relation becomes x minus y is equals to minus 1 minus 1. Bring the variable y to LHS to get the standard form to solve the equations by the elimination method here. So it becomes x minus y is equals to minus 2 it is. X minus y is equals to minus 2. Now you consider this is the first equation you got by the first situation. The second situation, you only add 1 to the denominator and it becomes 1 by 2. So the original fraction is x by y and here we add 1 to denominator. Here we add 1 to denominator, x by y plus 1. Then the fraction becomes 1 by 2. Fraction becomes 1 by 2. It is the second situation what is given. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. Then do the cross multiplication here. That is 2x is equals to 1 into y plus 1. Then it becomes 2x equals 1y plus 1. Then you will get 2x minus y is equals to 1. 2x minus y is equals to 1. This is the second equation. First equation is this one. This is the second equation. Now you take them together as a pair of linear equation. X minus y is equals to minus 2 and second one is 2x minus y is equals to 1. 2x minus y is equals to 1. This is the first one. This is the second one. Now we have to eliminate any one of the variable. Here we have to solve the pair of linear equations by the elimination method. Then we have to eliminate any one of the variable. Verify here the coefficients of y is 1 and 1 in both the equation. In the first equation it is 1 minus 1. In the second equation also it is minus 1. So you can cancel them directly. Here both of them are having negative sign, means you must subtract one equation from the other. So you do second equation minus 1 first equation, or first equation minus second one. So let us do by subtracting equation second or equation first you take, that is 1 is greater than minus 1 here. So you take equation 1 from equation 2, that is what, 2 minus 1 it is. So here you take 2 first, 2x minus y is equals to 1, that is minus, as we are subtracting you take minus here, x minus y is equals to minus 2. Now you take, that is 2x minus y minus x minus y, first equation minus second equation is equals to, here you have taken equation 1 is subtracted from second, so that becomes 2x minus x minus y is equals to 1 minus 2 it is, 1 minus 2, then it becomes 2x minus y, open the bracket, minus x plus y is equals to 1 minus of minus 2 is 1 plus 2 it is, 1 plus 2, then you know that minus y and plus y cancels here, 2x minus x is, 2x minus is x is x, 1 plus 2 is 3, here 2x minus x is x, 1 plus 2 is 3, so you got x equals 3. Then you substitute x equals 3 in the first equation, that is x minus y is equals to minus 2, right, by substituting x equals 3 in the equation first, we get, what do we get, what is the first equation here, that is x minus y is equals to minus 1. Here this is the second equation, this is the first equation what you have taken. So equation 1 is x minus y is equals to minus 2, x minus y is equals to minus 2, then you put x equals 3, 3 minus y is equals to minus 2, then it becomes minus y is equals to minus 2 minus 3, transfer 3 to the RHS, that becomes minus y is equals to sum of minus 2 and minus 3 is minus 5, as they are having same sign, add them and put this that sign only. Therefore you will get here minus y is equals to minus 5 means remove the negative sign, that becomes y is equals to 5 it is, y is equals to 5 you got. Therefore x equals 3, y equals 5, so x by y, that is the original fraction, that is equals to 3 by 5. The original fraction is 3 by 5 here. So according to the question, what is the question here? What is the fraction? The fraction is 3 by 5. The fraction is 3 by 5. Come to the second question. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? Now let us take the age of Nuri is x here and age of Sonu will be y here. You take, let Nuri and Sonu be x years and y years old respectively at present. So you take, let Here you take Nuris present is equals x. Nuris present is equals x. Sonu's present is equals y. Now what they told? 5 years ago. 5 years ago Nuris age becomes x minus 5. Sonu's age becomes y minus 5 here. Take 5 years ago Nuris age equals x minus 5 and Sonu's age equals y minus 5, and the relation between their ages 5 years ago is given, that is Nuris age was thrice the age of the Sonu. Nuri was 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. That is, here x minus 5 is equals to 3 into y minus 5. 5 years ago, Nuri's age is equals to 3 times the Sonu's age. So now you will get one relation here, that is becomes x minus 5 is equals to 3y minus 15 it is. Then it is bring the 3y to the LHS, that becomes x minus 3y is equals to minus 15 plus 5 it is. Minus 15 plus 5. Then it becomes x minus 3y is equals to, here as minus 5 is transferred to the RHS, it becomes plus 5, and 3y is transferred to the LHS, it becomes minus 3y. So you got x minus 3y is equals to minus 10 it is. Minus 15 plus 5 is minus 10. Now you consider this is the first relation, first equation it is. You got the first equation in the variable x and y. Now the second situation, 10 years later, means 10 years after, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So 10 years after, Nuri's age becomes x plus 10, Sonu's age becomes y plus 10. So take 10 years later, 10 years later, 10 years later, Nuri's age equals x plus 10. It is after 10 years. And 10 years later, Sonu's age equals y plus 10 it is. And it is said that 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. That is, x plus 10, Nuri's age, is equals to twice the age of the Sonu, that is 2 into y plus 10 it is. 2 into y plus 10. Then it becomes x plus 10 is equals to 2y plus 20 it is. Then you transfer 2y to the LHS, it becomes x minus 2y is equals to 20 minus 10. Transfer 10 to the RHS, that becomes x minus 2y is equals to 20 minus 10. So it becomes x minus 2y is equals to 20 minus 10 is 10. That is the second equation you got. Now you take them together. First equation is x minus 3y is equals to minus 10, and x minus 2y is equals to 10 it is. So this is the first equation. This is the second equation. Now here you can subtract first from second or second from first. You can do anything here. Now you take subtracting here 10 is greater means you can subtract the first equation by second equation first. from equation second, that is second minus first. Second minus first, you write the second first here. X minus 2y is equals to 10, that is the second equation. X minus 3y is equals to minus 10, that is the first equation. So from second minus first it is. Then you write, that becomes x minus 2y. Here we have to subtract. Why you have to subtract here? Here you can cancel x here. Why? X, xc, both the cases, in both the equation, x is having the same coefficient and having same sign, that is plus sign. You know that when the coefficients are having same coefficient with same sign, we have to subtract one equation from the other equation. So you take this second equation minus first equation, or first equation minus second equation. Here we have taken second equation minus first equation. So we have taken x minus 2y is equals to 10 minus x minus 3y is equals to minus 10. So it becomes x minus 2y minus x minus 3y is equals to 10 minus of 10. Then it becomes x minus 2y minus x, minus into minus becomes plus 3y it is. Then 10 minus into minus becomes plus, it is plus 10. Then you know that plus x minus x cancels. Minus 2y plus 3y. Minus 2y plus 3y, that is nothing but 3y minus 2y is equals to what? 1y. You got here 1y, that is y, is equals to 10 plus 10, that is 20 you got. 10 plus 10, 20. Now you substitute the value of y in the first equation. So you write by substituting y is equals to 20 in the equation first. In the equation first we get what? What is the first equation here? That is x minus 3y is equals to minus 10 it is. We take x minus 3y is equals to minus 10. You can also take the second equation to substitute. Here you have taken the first equation. Then what is the value of x minus, what is the value of y? 20. So you write 3 into 20 is equals to minus 10 it is. Then x equals x minus 3 into 20 is, that is minus 60 is equals to minus 10. Then x equals minus 10, minus 60 must be transferred to the RHS. It becomes minus 10 plus 60. That is nothing but 60 minus 10 it is. Minus 10 plus 60 means 60 minus 10. So you got x equals 50. X equals 50. Hence Nuri's age is, here x is the age of Nuri and y is the age of Sonu. Then Nuri's age is equals to 50 years. Therefore, Nuri's present age equals 50 years and Sonu's present age equals, that is y equals how much? 20 years. So here you can verify the answer if you want to clarify it. Here what they said, 5 years ago Nuri's age becomes 45 and Sonu's age becomes 20 minus 5 means that is 15. 15 3 is a 45. So 5 years before, 5 years ago Nuri's age becomes 45 and Sonu's age becomes 15, that is 15 3 is a 45. And 10 years later Nuri's age becomes 60 and Sonu's age becomes 30, 33 is a 32s are 60 it is. In this way, the verification says that the age of Nuri is 50 years, so Nu's present age 20 years is correct here. Next, let us take the next question, that is the third question. Here, the sum of the digits of two-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. Now, here let us consider the unit digit and tens digit. Now, let the unit digit equals, let, this is the solution here. Now, here sum of the digits of two-digit number means one is the unit digit and other one is the tens digit here. So, let us have, let unit digit, that is the ones digit, unit digit equals x, tens digit equals y. So, the number becomes here xy, that is the unit digit, this is the tens digit, x, y. Then the number is here unit digit x and tens digit y. The number is here, original number is yx. Then the number becomes, then the number is 10y plus x. The number is 10y plus x. The number obtained by reversing the digit. Then the number becomes tu. The x comes to the place of tens digit and y comes to the place of tens digit, unit digit. Here by reversing the number you write, by reversing the digit, by reversing the digits, then the number becomes what? Tu. This becomes yx becomes xy. Then the number is, then the number is 10x plus y, it is 10x plus y. And here what they told, the sum of the digit of two-digit number is 9. That is what they said, first condition x plus y is equals to 9. So, you got the first equation. Next here, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit here. 9 times this number. 9 times this number means that is 9 into 10y plus x. You take 9 into 10y plus x is equals to what? 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. That is 2 into this 10x plus y. Here the first condition is x is the unit digit and y is the tens digit. The sum of the digit is 9 means x plus y is equals to 9. Next, the original number is 10y plus x and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 10x plus y. What is the relation between them? That is 9 into 10y plus x is equals to 2 into 10x plus y. So, it is 90y plus 9x is equals to 20x plus 2y. Then it becomes, by transferring the variables x and y to the LHS, we will get 90y plus 9x minus 20x minus 2y is equals to 0. That is 90y minus 2y. 90y minus 2y is 88y and 9x minus 20x is 20 minus 9 is, that is 11. So, that is the minus 11. 11x minus 11x is equals to 0 it is. So, here if you want to take x plus x, first you take, here you remove the common here, 11, you can remove 11 common, y minus that becomes 11 8s 11 into 8y minus x is equals to 0. Then the equation becomes 8y minus x equals 0. It is 8y minus x equals 0. That is the second one. So in the first case you got x plus y is equals to 9. X plus y is equals to 9 can be written as, so you can written as, it can be written as y plus x equals 9. Why you have to convert this? Because here it is 8y minus x. So you take first equation is y plus x equals 9 it is. And second one 8y minus x equals 0. Consider this is the first, already we have taken, this is the second. Now here you observe the coefficients of each variable. In the first equation the variable x is having the coefficient 1, and also in the second equation the variable x is also having the coefficient 1, but here plus 1 and minus 1. So as they are having different sign, you can add them to cancel them. Plus x minus x becomes cancel them. So here by equation first plus equation second, you can eliminate the variable x. As they are having the same coefficient, no necessity of multiplying the equation here. Already they are having the same coefficient here. So here by equation 1 plus equation 2, first plus second here. So you take y plus x. So already you take here plus only you take here y plus x equals 9 plus 8y minus x equals 0. That is the first one. And while adding here, no necessity of taking them in order first and second. So here, but while subtracting you must take the equation, what you have from equation must be taken first. After that subtracting equation. Here we are adding means you take in any order, but here we have to add them as they are having same sign. Then it becomes y plus x plus 8y minus x is equals to 9 plus 0. Then it is y plus x plus 8y minus x is equals to 9 it is. Y plus x plus 8y minus x, x cancels. So y plus 8y is 9y is equals to 9. 9y is equals to 9. So it is y is equals to 9 by 9, 1 it is. Y is equals to 9 by 9, 1. Then you get x. Take the first equation, y plus x equals 9. Then you substitute the, first you write by substituting y is equals to 1 in equation first here, equation first. Then it becomes, what is the first equation that you have taken already, y plus x equals 9. Y plus x equals 9. Write the value of y, that is 1. 1 plus x equals 9. So you got x equals 9 minus 1, that is x equals 8. So you got x equals 8 and y equals 1 here. X equals 8 and y equals 1. In this way you got the number here. You know that t and u. Then the number is, here we have taken, the first number is, what you have taken, yx here, yx. So it is yx, y is 1 and x is 8. The number is 18 here. The number is 18. 8 is in the unit place, that is x, and 1 is in the tens place, that is y here. So you got the number is 18. So here you reverse it, then it becomes 81. By reversing what they said, by reversing, that becomes Can we clarify it? The sum of the digit is 1 plus 8 is equals to 9 you got. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by the reversing the digit. The sum of the digit, that is yx 18, 1 plus 8 is equals to 9, okay. Next 9 times this number, 18 into 9 is equals to 162. 3, that is twice the number obtained by, that is twice the number of 81, that is 2 into 81 is also 162. So you got the verification here. There is a tallying numbers. Next you take the next question. That is the fourth question. What is that? Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. So here let us take, suppose the Meena received X notes of rupees 50 and Y notes of rupees 100. So let us have the solution. Number of rupees 50 notes is equals to X and number of rupees 100 notes is equals to Y here. Now what they said, totally she got 25 notes. Totally she got, Meena got 25 notes in all, means totally she got 25 notes. Therefore you can have X plus Y is equals to 25. Total number of notes is equals to 25. X rupees 50 rupees notes are X 50 rupees notes are there, Y 100 rupees notes are there. Totally there are 25 notes. So X plus Y is equals to 20. So this is the first equation. Then you take the second equation, that is what they taken here. She asked the cashier to give rupees 50 and rupees 100. Now she withdraw rupees 2000. Total amount withdrawn by her is rupees 2000. So here let us have the amount of 50 rupees note is 50 into X plus amount by 100 rupees note is 100 into Y. Total amount is how much? That is 2000 rupees. Then here you can remove 50 common, then becomes 50 into X plus 2Y, that is equals to 50 into 40 here. So 50 cancels, then you will have the relation X plus 2Y is equals to 40. This is the second one. What I have done here, 50 is common in both the part, in LHS and RHS you remove 50 as a common. Here 50 into X plus 2Y and 2000 means 50 into 40. So you got X plus 2Y is equals to 40 here. Now take both the equations together as a pair of linear equation here. X plus Y is equals to 25 and second one is X plus 2Y is equals to 40 it is. X plus 2Y is equals to 40. Now here observe that X and X, in both the equation X is having the same coefficient. Therefore you can cancel, you can eliminate X easily by subtracting one equation from the other. So this is the first equation, this is the second equation, and 40 is greater than 25. You will subtract first equation by second equation. Then by subtracting equation 1 from equation second 2, that is second minus first here. So you take the second first here, X plus 2Y is equals to 40 and that minus X plus Y is equals to 25. This is the second equation. This is the first equation here. Then you write x plus 2y minus x plus y is equals to, you take 40 minus 25 it is. 40 minus 25. Then you open the bracket, x plus 2y minus x minus y it becomes. Minus x minus y is equals to 40 minus 25, you know, that is 15. Then x and x cancels, plus x and minus x. 2y minus y is 2y minus y is y. Y is equals to 15 you got. Y is equals to 15. Then you substitute y is equals to 15 in the first equation by substituting y is equals to 15 in equation first. In equation first, what is that first equation? X plus y is equals to 25. X plus y is equals to 25. You got the value of y. As you eliminated x, you got the value of y. So here it becomes x plus 15 is equals to 25. Therefore, x is equals to 25 minus 15. Then x is equals to 10 you got. X is equals to 10. So what you can see here? Here 50 rupees notes are 10 and 100 rupees notes are 15. So how many 50 rupees notes are there? 10. How many 100 rupees notes are there? There. How much here? 15. So you write Meena received 10 notes of rupees 50 and 15. Y is equals to 15. 15 notes of rupees 100. You calculate here. You know that 10 into 50, that is 500, and 100 into, you write 15 into 100. 15 into 100, that is equals to 1500. Totally she got 2000 rupees. And first condition, totally how much notes she got? 10 plus 15, 25. That is 10 plus 15, 25 notes here totally. So she got 10 notes of 50 rupees and 15 notes of 100 rupees. Next, let us come to fifth question. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge of each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and charge for each extra day. Charge for each extra day. So here let us take here the fixed charge will be x rupees and charge for each extra day will be y rupees. So you take, let, I have the solution here. Let fixed charge equals x rupees x, and extra charge per day, extra charge per day, extra charge per day equals rupees y. And here what they told, Sarita paid 27 rupees for a book kept for 7 days. So here let us take Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, including the first 3 days, that is, for which the fixed charge is to be given. So here extra days is here 7 minus 3, that is equals to 4. So here for Sarita extra days equals how much here? 7 minus fixed days 3, that is equals to 4 days. So the relation becomes, that is, fixed charges for 3 days is x, and for the remaining 4 days is here, that is 7 minus 3, 4y. Totally she paid how much? 21 rupees. Totally she paid 27 rupees. 21 is by Susi. Totally Sarita paid 27 rupees. So you consider this is the first relation. And this is for Sarita. For Susi, here extra days, totally she kept the books for 5 days. 5 days means, that is 5 minus 3, it is 2 days. Extra 2 days she kept the book with her. So here that becomes 3 days fixed charge, that is x, 2 days extra charge 2y, that is equals to how much she paid? 21 rupees. So it is 21. Consider this is the second one. Now you take the first equation and second equation as a pair of linear equation, that is x plus 4y is equals to 27 and x plus 2y is equals to 21. This is the first, this is the second here. Now here see the coefficient of the variables. To eliminate, here there is a chance you can eliminate x, as in both the equation x is having same coefficient 1 and 1. See, so you can eliminate x here by doing which operation? Addition or subtraction here. Here you observe the sign of the variable which are to be cancelled here, that is positive. Both are having plus plus. So as they are having same sign, we have to subtract one equation from the other. So by subtracting here 27 is greater means subtract second equation, equation 2 by equation 1, that is 2 minus 1, that is what? 2 minus 1 it is. So it becomes, you take term x plus 4y is equals to 27 minus x plus 2y is equals to 21. This is the first, this is the second here. Then you write x plus 4y minus x plus 2y is equals to 27 minus 21. Then open the bracket, x plus 4y minus x minus 2y is equals to 27 minus 1 is 21 is 8 here. 27 minus 21 is 8. So you got so you open the bracket, x plus 4y minus x minus 2y, 27 minus 21 is equals to 6 it is, and here x and minus x cancels, 4y minus 2y, you will get 4 minus 2 is 2y is equals to 6 it is. So you got y is equals to 6 by 2, that is equals to 3. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So you got y is equals to 3. Then you get x by substituting the value of y. By substituting y is equals to 3 in equation First you take, what is the first equation? X plus 4y is equals to 27. X plus 4y is equals to 27. So you got the value of y, substitute it. X plus 4 into 3 is equals to 27. That is x plus 4 3s are 12 is equals to 27. Then x is equals to 27 minus 12. 27 minus 12. So x equals what? 27 minus 12, that is 15 here. 27 minus 12 is 15. So x is the fixed charge and y is the extra charge here. Therefore, fixed charge is rupees 15. Therefore, fixed charge is rupees 15 and each extra day charge is rupees how much? 3. Here y is equals to 3 you got, that is the extra day charge here. So let us verify. Sarita paid x plus 4y, that is x is how much? 15 rupees plus 4 into extra charge 3, that is 15 plus 12, 27. And Susie paid x plus 2y, that is 15 plus 2 into 3, that is 15 plus 6 is equals to 21 rupees. In this way, the problem based on the pair of linear equations which are to be solved by elimination method is completed here. That exercise is completed.